Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Hey guys, ngeke. Umshololo just come back nje, she was spitting fire. I'm like, hey, but see, calm down. What's going on? But the point was valid at the end of the day. Like, such statements like in yena because they're asking him, Uzondo, bra, can you just tell us, did they read the statement back to you? Like, please, a statement. So they're gonna use the statement and put it on record, but I'm like, groba. It's like so crazy there. You know, guys, they actually ganging up now on Dr. Roni Sibanda about the statement. They just like, no, they're not taking the statement. It's wrong, that statement, guys. Because it wasn't read to Zondo to say, this is what you said, you know. It's also just like, this is not my statement. This wasn't me. I didn't say these things. Ramosipile had his last laugh after Sibanda was finished with his fabricated statement from Brigadier Geninda. Ramosipile told the court that so this was fabricated. Basically, you never said all of these things in that statement, and the statement was never really read to you. What will like a court after Judge Ratsamokotling stood up for Dr. Sibanda quite a few times around the statement. I was just like, oh, that. And man, they just making things worse after they hired Gucci. There's a march on the 19th. The Senzo Mewa march. And the lies that they've been saying in court. The march is still happening, actually, on the 19th. Swiss is just like, no, I'm not backing down. And I'm actually after Rata. He did mention to the people, I'm after Rata, Baloyi, and Brigadier Geninda. And the whole thing of Dr. Sibanda busy bullying this witness, Uzondo. But the way he was speaking to him was so uncalled for. There's no need for that, guys. You know, there's really, really no need. It was so heartbreaking at some stage. He wanted to cry, this guy, literally. Uzondo. But he tried, eh? He stood his ground, eh? Just as much as he apologized at some stage for no reason. I was just like, there's really no need, guys. But Nominisi tried. He tried for him, eh? He was just like, why are we going on like this? Rata was also now trashing this guy who's on at this witness. Rata, he's been in it. And you know what's crazy also about it? Usibanda, he was also at DPP. I couldn't believe it. I was just like, wow. So you in it as well. But the way he goes on Usibanda is actually worse than Baloyi by far. Sibanda, guys, I cannot even believe him. And you know, Sibanda has no regard for defense. He doesn't even think anything about them. He's just like, whatever. And Rata was just picking him up. Like, hello, please continue. You are the best. Urata esebukisa ngalo mntana abantu. Uzondo ushuze ethi wena, didn't you come here to be a witness? Just be a witness. After Usibanda said the same thing. I was just like, wow, guys, wow. Hey, about the case, guys. Honestly, and man just said, no one is helping us to say it's okay. This is trash. Can we just now stop with this case? This is wrong. Can the people who actually were in the house be arrested? No one is saying anything. It was so heartbreaking yesterday, guys. It was wrong. Everything it was happening in that court. And at some stage, defense, when Ratana was ganging up with Dr. Sibanda on this guy, Ushu's, the defense now was just like, oh no, this time, I can see 2 legends. I thought one of them was going to stand up. Nothing happened. I was like, wow. Aye, guys, the bullying there is a lot. From Usibanda. Where did he learn these things? Usibanda. He's in another level, guys. He has no control. You know, he doesn't know when to stop himself. Oh, okay, it's wrong.
At this stage, I will read the statement without interruption, and then we'll go through the statement line by line. Okay. Uzokwenza-ke manje uzosifunda sonke-ke sizompedela ukuthi asifunde kamuva-ke abese ebuza-ke uma ngabe ebuza-ke sizosifunda sonke manje.
Mine is not an objection per se, but the statement has not been fully proven. Has not been fully proven, so one cannot remind the state of how to conduct the cross-examination and the proving of the statement.
You say the statement is what? It's not fully proven.
It has not been fully proven. I see that the state is starting to read the statement line by line. Thank you.
My lord, okay. Evidence before this court is that the statement was never read back to him. I think that is the only part. So, was this statement read back to you?
It was never read back, my lord.
When this statement was made, was it question and answer?
Uma sasenzile statement lesi, wawubuza umbuzo, uphendule.
Usenkantolo ngangibuza umbuzo othi angichaza ukuthi uNtanzi ngimazi kanjani.
My lord, I would be asked a question to the following effect. How do I know Ntanzi? I should explain as to how I know Ntanzi.
Bonke shithi bawayifona bengathi ngiyabazi. Ngangibuza ukuthi mazi kanjani bese yabhala ukuchaza kwami.
In which language were you communicating with Brigadier Gininda?
Wena noBrigadier Gininda nanikhuluma ngaliphi ulimi?
Sasikhuluma isiZulu kwasenkantolo.
IsiZulu, my lord.
And then do you further confirm that whatever that was being written was preceded by a question?
Kwasenkantolo njengoba ngichaza nje ngithi istatement sami ngangisibhala ngokubuza ubukantanzi bese ngiyachaza ukuthi mazi kanjani isikhathi singana.
As I'm explaining, my lord, that my statement, how it was written was, I would be asked to explain as to my knowledge of Bongani Ntanzi. I would then explain, and then it gets recorded, and then you go to the next one, Muzi. I do the same, my lord.
Exactly, please, my lord. My lord, following the ruling that was made earlier this year regarding the statement of Sifiso Gwabeni Zungu as well as Makosenke Zungu, the state submits it's a question of credibility of this witness, and the court has already made a ruling that Brigadier Gininda and all those that were involved in taking down of these statements will be called at the later stage. At this stage, I request the court to indulge the state and allow the state to read the statement into the record.
Umshushiso uyacela ukuthi inkantolo ngokwesinqumo inkantolo esithathile ngaphambilini ngokufanayo-ke noMakhosonke Zungu uSifiso Gwabeni Zungu ukuthi ke bonke labo fakazi labo ke uBrigadier Gininda kanye nabanye bazobizwa futhi ukuthi bazophendula ke kuzona ke inhlolo lezi ke eziphambi kwenkantolo ukuthi benza kanjani uma ngabe bethatha istatement lesi. Manje umshushiso usiyacela ukuthi inkantolo imvumeleke ukuthi istatement lesi asifunde ngenxa yaleso sinqumo lesi inkantolo yasithatha.
Any objections?
My lord, my understanding of this process is the following. If you want to pursue the line of questioning using a witness statement, that statement must be qualified before the contents of the statement are read. The witness must confirm that this is my statement, I've read it or it has been read to me, I confirm the correctness thereof. Then you can go to the signatures, whether that's this signature and how it was made, interpretation used, or they were speaking the same language, etc., etc. Now that hasn't happened here. What my learned colleague is trying to do with the ruling that the court made in terms of the invocation of Section 186 of the Criminal Procedure Act of 1977 is the following. It's seeking to do exactly what Mawanda Makala Constitutional Court ruling did, to say the trial within a trial in this instance would not be an appropriate way to do it, because this is an invocation of the trial within a trial via the back door. That is, the statement be provisionally be admitted while the witness says this is not my statement, pending what Brigadier Gininda et al. Are coming to say to this court in the Section 186 proceedings, my lord. So this procedure is foreign, my lord. That's the court, please.
Yeah. On the submissions that has been made by my learned friend, my lord, the state cannot just refer this court to the previous rulings of the other statements that were made on different circumstances and on different occasions, my lord. Right now, as we're dealing with the statement, the state has to place it on record. What is it that the state is unable to comply with in reference to the proving the statement? What is it that the state is unable to do in leading this witness? So that when, in the event that there is a ruling from the court that other witnesses, the police officers will be called to testify on the circumstances under which this statement was taken, at least the state would have laid the basis for that in order to see if that is needed or not, my lord. That's my submission.
Is this not a statement? I thought the witness himself, out of his own mouth, says, I made a statement. That's what I listened to.
Thank you, my lord. If I may respond. Yes, the witness has said that. But now it is the state that is bringing the application to the court to say that ruling should be invoked, my lord.
No, fine. That's another story.
Yes.
I'm just saying we're dealing with a statement now. I heard the prosecutor say it's a statement. It was attested to by Gininda. Didn't you say that, sir?
That's correct, my lord.
Then, my lord, if that is correct, why the state is asking the court to revoke previous
No,
rulings?
fine. We're dealing with a statement.
Yes.
That's all.
The state must know what the state wants to do.
Fine.
Yes, but not to ask the court to revoke.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
I hear you there.
The state is wrong.
Who is the source of this sentence.
Manje-ke lokhu okubhalwe lana kwashiwo ubani?
Kwasenkantolo kwenamba Buthelezi. Ngiyakwazi lokho. Nganikezana ngenamba yomuntu engihlala endlini.
With regards to the Buthelezi's number, I know about that. I provided the number of the person that I was staying with in the house.
Were you asked to provide that alternative number?
Kwasenkantolo ake ngiphuma kancane futhi kwasenkantolo ngipolise ukuphazamisa imibuzo
No,
kwasenkantolo.
answer the question.
Kwasenkantolo uma ngibuka le mbhalo la uButhelezi yebo waseqaleni ngangibuzwe ngayive ngangazi ukuthi ngihlala uButhelezi.
My Lord, if I were just, apologies for that to disturb the line of questioning, if I were just to step out of line a bit. Initially, indeed, I was asked about Buthelezi because it was known that I was staying with Buthelezi, yebo.
Nawuthi ngaleli langa ukuthi ngabuza inombolo kaButhelezi.
Not that on this day I was asked about Buthelezi's number.
Kwasenkantolo ngaleli langa leli ngangibuzwa ngalabaswa abawu4 nga1 kwasenkantolo. I-question yami ithi ipage yakho yasiba nenkulumo eningi kangaka. Wayesethi no, uma ungibuza ngoNtanzi ngiyabhala ngiyachaza. So manje ayi not ukuthi ngalona lelo ngabe ngibuzwa nenamba kaButhelezi.
Not that
on
on that particular day I was asked about Buthelezi's number. It was already known that I was sharing a residence with Buthelezi. I was asked about these 4 suspects, my Lord, my knowledge of them. I would then say or ask, now in your document or in your paper, why do you now write so much? And then the response was, as you respond, I would then write or explain.
Okay, let me ask this question differently. Between Brigadier Gininda and Mr. Goodman Zondo, who knew of your friendship and Buthelezi?
Kunabantu ababili ababelaphayana kwakuBrigadier Gininda nomnumzana uZondo, uMandla Nkosi uZondo. Phakathi kwalabo bantu ababili uBrigadier Gininda okwakuwuKheneli ngaleso sikhathi noMandla Nkosi uZondo, ubani owayenolwazi lokuthi uZondo noButhelezi abangani? Ubani owayekwazi kulabo bantu ababili uZondo noGininda?
lapha eYuven.
There in Yuvel.
That's correct.
Yebo baba.
Owena ulwazi ngendaba yami uButhelezi.
Yebo.
Umuntu onolwazi kwasenkantolo lo engilandile uMkhari owafika lapha. Wafika ngibeka lapha eYuven. Uyena onolwazi because uyena
the person who knew is the person that fetched me, that is Mukhari.
But I'm asking, between you and Gininda.
Ngicela ukuphindela umbuzo mhlambe mina ongangizwanga. Asimiyeke uMkhari. Kunabantu ababili, ukhuluma abantu ababili umshushisi, ukhuluma ngawe kwakuZondo noBrigadier Gininda. Ukuthi ke kulabantu ababili phakathi kwakho noBrigadier Gininda ubani owayenolwazi ukuthi wena noButhelezi niyabangani?
Kwasenkantolo ngineshort uGininda wayesazi ngoba i-information wayinikezwa uMkhari owayesilandile akangakuthi uMkhari uyena wafona wathi ngizomlanda uButhelezi.
My Lord, Brigadier Gininda knew because it was informed by Mukhari, because Mukhari phoned and said that I will go and fetch Buthelezi.
And the phone number of Buthelezi, who gave it to Brigadier Gininda?
uBrigadier Gininda wayinikezwa ubani iphone number kaButhelezi?
Angikhumbuli kwasenkantolo enikwa yini.
I do not remember giving him, my Lord, or giving it to him.
But do you confirm this phone number belongs to Mr. Jack Buthelezi?
Kodwa ke ngabe uyaqinisekisa yini ukuthi le number lena inumber kaJack Buthelezi?
Kwasenkantolo angisabi nayishoba into yakudala.
I'm not certain, my Lord, because it's something of that happened long ago.
But you just said that number belongs to Buthelezi, say.
Kodwa ke bekuyinto oqeda ukuyisho ukuthi ke inumber lena inumber kaButhelezi.
Kwasenkantolo uba ngisho nje ngithi uqinisekisa ukuthi exactly yiyo le. Angisakhumbuli kahle lapho sekuyinto yakudala.
As I am saying, my Lord, that to be precisely certain, my Lord, that this is the number, I am not sure, my Lord, because it's something that happened long ago.
Okay, let me help you. I'm being generous today. Mr. Bongani Ntanzi confirmed that number belongs to Mr. Jack Buthelezi.
Angisho kanjena ke ukuthi ke umnumzana uNtanzi waqinisekisa ukuthi inumber le ngempela inumber kaButhelezi.
Angikwazi mina kwasenkantolo lokho.
I don't know about that, my Lord.
Paragraph 2, I would like to state that I am originally from...
As the court places, my Lord, I mean that thank you.
Yes, let's do these paragraph 2 before we break for the short adjournment. Paragraph 2, I would like to state that I am originally born from KwaNongoma, KZN.
Ngithanda ke ukusho ukuthi ngazalelwa kwaNongoma eKZN.
Nkosenkantolo kunjalo ngazalwa khona. Engicela encane Nkosenkantolo.
It is indeed correct, my lord, that I was born there, but I don't know, my lord, whether I would be out of line or not.
Nkosenkantolo angikuboni kuliqiniso ukuthi ngaqhubeka naleli phepha obhalwe la ngezathu sokuthi namanje from the start i-paragraph yokuqala iyiphutha akaze ngisebenze kule mining okukhomba ukusobala kimi engqondweni yami ukuthi konke okuphakathi ngiyakhandelwa akusikho kusuka kimi.
My lord, I do not see it proper, my lord, that I can proceed or continue with this statement, my lord, because from the first paragraph, the information there, my lord, is incorrect, which is then evident that everything else, my lord, that is contained in here, my lord, is something that was just made up against me, my lord. It's not something that comes from me.
You requested for your statements, and I'm doing exactly that. If there's something that you do not agree with, like this mine, you will indicate that you do not agree, but not to stop this process now. It's too late.
Ongeke ukwenzeke baba ukuthi ke uvimbeke manje lokho esikwenzayo sekulate. Uwena umuntu ocele ukuthi ke ucela istatement sakho, ngenza lokho ke okwenzile sorry ocelile uma ngabe ngokufanayo la uthi khona le gama le mine akusilona lironga ukwazi usebenzela nanje ngoba sifunda ke uzosho ukuthi cha le akusiyona kodwa hayi ukuthi uvimbe ukuthi asingaqhubeki.
Nkosenkantolo ngeke ngasho naphambilini ukuthi ngesikhathi ngibhalele istatement uGenindi eYuvo. Cela Nkosenkantolo ingibhekele nami iside lami.
I said this before, my lord, that at the time when the statement was written by Gininda at Yeovil, my lord, I'm going to request that the court also considers my side as well. Yebo?
uGenindi akaze nginike i-chance ukuthi ngifunde istatement.
Gininda never gave me time or a chance to read the statement.
Wangisayina ngokuphoqeleka.
He made me to sign forcefully so.
Number 2, ngesikhathi ngibizwa ethi ngibizwa ubabaloyi. Ngaphinde ngamtshela futhi akusiyo istatement sami lesi.
And secondly, when he called me saying that Mr. Baloyi wanted to see me or would like to see me, I told him again that this was not my statement.
Wathi masisilungise ngoba sifuna umphathi wakhe.
He then said, let us rectify it because his superior wanted it.
Sabhala umzuzu omncane sethi no asivale isashaya isikhathi umphathi wakhe abadinga ngaso.
He then wrote for a very short time, and then my lord, he finished and said that time was against him. That is now the time his superior wanted him.
Mangifika kubabaloyi, the first paragraph namanje seyiyo le. Wathi angifundise babaloyi akusiyo istatement engimbhalo ngawubhala lo.
When I got to Mr. Baloyi, the first paragraph that was read out, I then said, Mr. Baloyi, this is not the statement. When the first paragraph was read out,
angiqeda 5 minutes wathi angihlale ku-waiting room.
It was not even 5 minutes, my lord, that I finished there. He then requested me to go and wait to the waiting room.
Angiphinde angabona naye babaloyi until now sesibona manje lapha ekhona.
I never saw Mr. Baloyi again up until now as we now see each other here in court.
Ngalezo sizathu lezo angisakuboni mina izathu mhlawumbe singasisi siqhubeke nembhalo ba le mbhalo yokuqala istatement lo mbhalo la ngakhala ngawo from eqaleni uGenindi nakubabaloyi.
I do not see, my lord, that we then can proceed with this statement, my lord, based on what is written in the first paragraph, which is what I complained of to Brigadier Gininda. I also complained of to Mr. Baloyi, my lord.
No, I'm going to stop you now.
Okay.
I'm going to stop you now. I'm the one who's asking questions. Your complaint is on record. Even yesterday you had the same complaint. Let's go through the statement.
Imina okuza-ke imibuzo isikhalo sakho lokhu okhala ngabo ukwirekhodi kukhona manje kuphambi kwenkantolo kurekhodiwe laphayana nayizolo futhi ukushilo lokhu okushoyo manje asiqhubeke-ke.
Futhi umnumzana wami Nkosenkantolo ngicela ukuza futhi mina ngifundela into engayazi la Nkosenkantolo kufanele ngibemukele anginayi right yokuthi lokho angikwazi bani ngidala ngaka nje ngikhuluma into eyiphutha.
As old as I am, does it then mean now that I do not have a right when I am mentioning something or complaining about something? Should I then accept or allow for something which is incorrect to be read out to me?
Nkosenkantolo ngicela ukuthi nami ngizizwe ngifree. Ngoba ngidala ngaka nje ngiyoqeda u50. Ngingacindezelwa engathi ngumntwana ngicindezelwe ngento engiyibonayo ukuthi akuyona. Baba ngicela usebenze ngokomthetho sisekelo ngoba umsebenzi senza ngaphansi kwawo.
sorry.
Ngiyacabanga umsebenzi wepolisi yabo.
Sorry. You are a witness in this case.
Ufakazi kuleli cala.
Are you not?
Awusiyena?
Mina ngifakazi ngidansi ukuthi uhlala kini.
I am a witness with regards to Ntanzi that you are staying with me.
Yeah, but you're a witness.
Yebo kodwa ufakazi. Noma uze la enkantolo njengofakazi asisho kanjalo. Uze njengofakazi la enkantolo.
Okay, ngifuna kusenkantolo.
Yes, my lord, I agree.
Yes, so continue being a witness. You've taken an oath to tell this court the truth, nothing else but the truth, as you have been doing. If Keninda, like you say, beat you up and Mabena also strangled you with a paper bag, if you know all those things, you are obliged to mention them, okay?
Kubeka ke ube ufakazi ke